Myself, Professor Padiyappa from CS Department, Maratha Mandal Engineering College, Belagavi. So today we will discuss on data structures. So basically, what is data structure? Data is something like information, whereas structure is organizing the data. Why you need to organize it? If you organize data properly, so that we can access it easily at the later case. So that is what data structure. Data structure name indicates itself that organizing the data in a particular manner, so that it can be used efficiently in a later case. So because of that, we will organize data in a particular manner. So to organize data, we have like different types of categories or classification of data structures. So here we are going to study data structures can be classified into two types: primitive data structures and non-primitive data structures. So what is primitive data structures is, primitive data structures are something like called as basic data types. Basic data types. Here you can see the definition. Primitive data structures are primitive data types. Like example, int, float, char, double, which can hold single value. Which can hold single values, like example 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is what we will call it as primitive data structures. Whereas non-primitive data structures, which are defined or derived by primitive data structures. So these are the data structures which are derived by primitive data structures. Those can be classified into again two categories: linear data structures and non-linear data structures. So that is what you can see here in diagram. Data structures can be classified into two categories: primitive data structures and non-primitive data structures. Primitive example directly you can say it as, those are basic data types: integer, real, character and boolean. Whereas non-primitive is again divided into two categories: linear data structures and non-linear data structures. So first we will see what is the meaning of linear data structures. Linear data structure is a type of data structure in which data is organized sequentially or linearly, one after the other. Whereas in non-linear data structures, data is organized, it is organized but it is not sequential. So that is what we will call it as non-linear data structures. For linear data structures, examples we have arrays, linked lists, stacks and queues. Whereas for non-linear data structures, we have examples like trees and graphs. So that is what here it is there. You can see the definitions. Linear data structures in which data structure, that is the data elements are arranged sequentially or linearly. Whereas in non-linear data structures, data is arranged but it is not in sequential manner. So some of the examples are trees and graphs. That's it for today's class. We'll see you in next class.